So as you can see, I'm working on the crown mold now, and these cheater corners, as I call them, make it real easy. For my splice, I bevel the cut. It hides the joint better. Now I'm ready to come across and put the cheaters in this corner, but before I do that, I'm gonna put something up in the corner of the sheetrock and the brick. All right, pro cutters, so I've finished all my crown mold with my cheater corners, as I call them. Door casings are done, window casings and trim are all done. So tomorrow, I'm gonna bring my shop back so I can prep the floor, get it all cleaned up, and start laying down the Duralux Performance Waterproof Luxury Vinyl. And then once that's done, I can throw up the base trim and shoe mold. Once the walls are painted, the electrical outlets can go in. The mini split can get hung right there. The lights can go in the ceiling tomorrow as well. And the last thing to do will be to get the vinyl siding up on the outside. So thanks for hanging around, sticking with me, watching what I got going on, and I'll see you on the next one.